Many of you know we are in the process of updating our kitchen. Nothing super major, we're just keeping what's in good shape and updating what's needed, like our kitchen window treatments in our kitchen. And after painting the walls, I felt like our windows needed a cleaner look other than the blinds we had up there already. But Sunburst Shutters came to the rescue and brought my vision to life. Sunburst Polywood Shutters are not only beautiful, but they will last a lifetime with no chipping, cracking, splitting, and they are moisture resistant, so you can put shutters even in your bathroom. Because we have two huge windows and double French doors in our kitchen, we get tons of natural sunlight, which is wonderful. The con is that living in Florida comes heat and a hefty energy bill. Since this is an investment, I did some research and found that Sunburst Shutters has more energy efficiency than any other window treatment, up to 70% more than wood shutters and 1600% more than aluminum mini blinds. There's just some food for thought. The installation process was quick and easy. The consultation is free. They measured and shared different styles and colors. I chose Ovation shutters in white, but they also come in 11 paint colors and 20 stains. There's a bit of a wait time. Mine took 5 weeks because they are custom made. My installer, Denny, went on to address the other two windows in the space. Again, adding the frame outside the window. This is a feature you want to be mindful of. I chose the outside mount frame. It wraps around the recess and my shutters can just open up just by removing this little pin when I want to clean or get more light into the room. I also find using a soft bristle brush like you see here will make it easier and faster to dust your shutters, and you can grab one from HomeGoods. You can also use a damp cloth to clean them as well. And here's the before with the regular blinds, not a whole lot of light coming in, and here's the after without my drapery. Let me know down below, what do you think of my new shutters, and do you like the draperies up or not? I'm kinda on the fence on this one, you guys. I need your help. I get tons of questions about my drapery panels, and I always purchase store-bought panels from either HomeGoods or JCPenney. Take your time and look over the panels to see if you want thermal or insulated blackout panels or not. If you like grommet panels, make sure that the opening is large enough to fit your rod. These little details and tips makes a difference, and it will save you time in the end. If you want a tailored look for your windows, I suggest pinch pleat panels. They are perfectly tailored and it's the best way to finish off the top of your panels. I never worry about the length when buying panels because I've always added fabric to the bottom using heat and bond iron-on adhesive. No sewing at all. It even holds firm after being laundered. I've done several videos on this no-sew DIY pillows as well, and I will link that down below. I will also provide the link to Sunburst Shutters and heat and bond down below, and I want to thank you all for watching.